To all of our viewers, take a look. This will be the battle to decide the fate of the world. Will humanity perish, or will it cling on to yet another chance to make a glorious future? It all hinges on this single fight, this one final battle of the century.
Mommy, can I watch TV? The end of the world is starting.
Oh, that's terrible. Terribly entertaining. I guess this is no time for me to be doing housework.
The Unlosing Ranger can't lose. The world isn't ending tomorrow, so you can't slack with your homework or your housework.
Now let's analyze the data we have on the two warriors that will decide the fate of the world. Undefeated since first appearing, the Demon General, Darkdeath Evilman, has cut down every single hero to date. He shoots laser beams from his eyes and breathes fire, truly fitting for the position of final boss. On the other side, we have a hero, also undefeated and said to even be immortal. The invincible, absolute victory, Unlosing Ranger. The secret to his strength is his heart of love and justice. When that is set ablaze, he turns into the true Unlosing Ranger. Oh no! Look, everyone! The Demon General Darkdeath Evilman is here! Demon General Darkdeath Evilman has taken the Super Baby hostage! What has the world come to? If the Super Baby dies at the hands of Darkdeath Evilman, the world as we know it will end.
Where is the Unlosing Ranger? It was he who challenged me, and he dares make me wait. And he calls himself a hero. He's probably shivering in fear somewhere, crying his pitiful man tears of pity.
You heard him. Everyone around the world is now waiting for the Unlosing Ranger to make his anticipated appearance.
How could this happen? I'm supposed to be a shining, heroic example to today's youths. Because Mom didn't wake me up on time isn't an excuse I can use. This time... Whoa! You there, plain little pedestrian. Can you tell me your name? That's a name fit for a hero. Please, can you save Earth in my stead? You can't hide it from me. I know it's in you. A heart of love and justice that also wishes to protect the world. Anyway, starting today, you're the absolute victory Unlosing Ranger. Now then, take this morphing belt. With this, any weakling off the streets can turn into the Unlosing Ranger. The world is now in your hands.
Run over the Unlosing Ranger back there?
He's fine, dude. I heard he's an immortal hero. He can't die that easily, bro.
But isn't the last battle of the century supposed to happen today? What if we just caused the world to end? Hey, you said your GPS can also get TV channels, right?
Yeah, man.
So it seems the Unlosing Ranger has turned tail and run after all. This proves that neither love nor justice exist in this world. Only pain and darkness. Therefore, heroes don't exist either. Yes!
Here he comes everyone! Our hero, the Unlosing Ranger, is here! They say that heroes arrive in just the nick of time, but this might be a little much. Just look at how fearless he is!
See, bro? He's perfectly fine.
You're right. I guess he's a true hero after all.
Now, if the Unlosing Ranger wins, we'll get off scot-free, dude.
I'll be able to sleep at night, innocent as the day I was accidentally conceived. Unlosing Ranger, don't lose!
You have come at last, Unlosing Ranger. If you dare to call yourself a hero, then come at me and save this super baby! Pry it from my dark, evil, defeated hands! If you don't, the Earth is doomed! When this super baby dies, the world shall be destroyed!
The Unlosing Ranger lost!
At this rate, the world will face its destruction. Since the Unlosing Ranger lost, America, the world's police and saviors of the known universe, must act now!
I can't see it. I can't see the future of the world. The fate of the world may have been decided. Can no good fortune be found inside this cookie we call Earth?
And thus, the Unlosing Ranger's defeat threw the entire world into despair.
Hey! The Unlosing Ranger just died! Aren't we, like, totally screwed? It's our fault! We killed him!
Shut up, dude! Then what do you want me to do, bro?
I guess nothing. Except, stop calling me bro and dude. It's not like there's anything else we can do, right?
Yeah, sure, dudette. But we got better stuff to do than worry about this trivial event. Let's go, chick. The world might be ending anyway. We may as well do what we want.
Yeah. I wonder how many days it will be until the world ends.
Impossible! How weak could you possibly be? Is this some kind of mockery? Absolute victory! Unlosing Ranger! This is the power of the world's most popular Saturday morning hero! Then I shall doom this world now! I will destroy this town, the Super Baby, and the rest of humanity!
Wake up!
You don't have time to be passed out right now. You're dead, you know?
So ends the epic battles of Earth's own absolute victory Unlosing Ranger. The end.
Level 1. Not so fast. It's too early for the final episode.
This is Bizarro Earth, placed directly on the other side of the sun. A grotesque planet where the ground squirms and the rejected walk free. Though they may look different, Bizarro Earth and Earth are connected with each other. The World Hero Society took advantage of that fact. They used Bizarro Earth as their secret hero training grounds. Every single one of those famous heroes everyone knows were first graduates of the World Hero Society training facility.
Anyways, it's time for your training. You're in no position to stay dead right now. Snap out of it! You're a hero, aren't you? Don't tell me you don't know about this place. My name is Etranger. I'll be your training instructor starting today. Let's get started on the training right away, so tell me when you're ready. Oh, are you ready? Anyway, the more I look at you, the less you seem like a hero. Are you sure you're the same unlosing ranger the world fell in love with? Whatever. I prepared a training course that'll make anyone strong in a matter of seconds. With a guaranteed survival rate of 1%, a dungeon for advanced heroes at level 2000. It'll be easy for you since you're the unlosing ranger, right? It better be or I'll be pissed.
You idiots! You're talking crazy! Heroes aren't gods! When we get punched, it hurts! When we eat stuff off the ground, we get diarrhea! Or worse.
There's worse? Who are you anyway?
I'm Pirohiko Ichimonji. I'm his guardian spirit. I couldn't keep quiet since you're putting impossibly high hopes on him. Let me tell you one thing. Heroes get scared too.
You came out here just to say that?
Hi. As you just heard me decree, I am your guardian spirit.
Wait, you two just met?
Yeah.
I guess that's okay. You lost that battle in an instant and now have some weird ghost backing you up. I've never seen a hero like you. But I guess level 2000 might be a bit too much for you to tackle now. We'll have to drop the level of the dungeon by a lot to start you out. We'll start with a dungeon called Dungeon Crawling for Dummies. Even you can do this one, right?
I don't like the way that sounds, but I guess it's appropriate for now. Let's go.
Hey! Don't command him around. You're just his guardian spirit. I'm the one issuing orders here.
Give up and it'll all be over. Don't let this be your final episode. It's still too early for your ending. Died of shock? That's a real gloomy mission you have as your first step in training. It's all because the Unlosing Ranger lost. No, I'm not blaming you or anything. Listen, Bizarro Earth and Earth are connected in some way at all times. There are people at each place with the same names, and everything that happened on Earth will also happen on Bizarro Earth. Even if it isn't 100% identical, something similar can and will happen. If Jose Gaspacho on Earth died, then Jose Gaspacho of Bizarro Earth may face the threat of a similar fate. Your mission is to complete this training session by saving Jose Gaspacho.
You seem to know a lot for a random guardian spirit. But you're right. Your mission this time is to save the Jose Gaspacho of Bizarro Earth. You pretty much killed the Earth version of him, so try to save him at least on Bizarro Earth.
All right! Good! Lucky you! Lucky you!
Careful! You're too slow! If you screw around so much, the super baby, your family, and the rest of the world might die!
You're right, but can't you tell that he's doing the best he can? We should pat him on the head at least.
This isn't the time for that! Can't you see how serious the situation is? We have no time for pampering.
Oh, interesting. As expected from the super baby prophecy to save the world. It would be no fun if you died that easily. Now let's see you make up for the disappointment that is the Unlosing Ranger.
Oh, look! Something amazing is happening with the super baby! The baby is deflecting the last boss's attacks! It's just a baby! Well, a super one. But a baby is a baby after all. With no method to attack, how long will she last? What will be the fate of Super Baby? And what will be the fate of Earth and all of humanity?
Now do you understand? The Earth is in huge danger!
What was that? I saw a video right in front of my eyes.
I received the radio waves from Earth and transmitted it directly to your retinas.
You could do that? And we can watch satellite TV for free!
That's not the reaction I was looking for. Listen to me. As you can tell, the Unlosing Ranger is dead, and Super Baby is completely isolated. Someone needs to go in there and save Super Baby right now! You know who should do that? That's you! You're the absolute victory Unlosing Ranger, so you have to go and save the world!
Let me confirm one thing first. Did he really die?
Yeah!
Oh. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have gotten you involved.
Well, he's not really dead. He was transported here at the last minute, thanks to the World Hero Society.
Really? That's great!
There's no reason to celebrate that! You're still in the middle of the last boss battle! So, what do you plan on doing? Even if you went back, it's pretty obvious you'll just lose again. That's why you'll have to train here, so that you can save Super Baby the next time you go. Your mission is to save the Earth, to protect Super Baby, and to make it up to the people who believed in you. And in order to fulfill your mission,
You'll have to first go to the Dungeon Crawling for Dummies and save Jose Gazpacho.
that's right! That's the Unlosing Ranger's mission! Keep that in mind, okay?
Item get! Oh yeah, Bizarro Earth and Earth are connected, right? Then did the Bizarro Earth counterpart of me get run over by a car too? Why, hello! My name is Perohi.
Well, there you have it! The fate of Bizarro Earth and Earth are connected! If you don't do anything, Jose Gazpacho will die! But if you save Jose Gazpacho on Bizarro Earth, you may be able to change the fate of its counterpart on Earth! You have to fulfill your duty and make up for your failure by doing this! Get them!
What is this? There's so many spikes here.
This is just a dramatization, so don't worry about any inconsistencies. Anyway, you'll have to make an important decision here.
What? Don't tell me that give up is one of those choices. Give up, and the game will end.
Of course not, but you have to equip this to fulfill your mission on Losing Ranger.
Hold on! What's that horrible-looking thing in your hand?
This? It's a tank. If you equip this item, you'd be able to walk over spikes easily. There are items scattered throughout the dungeon like this. The first step to becoming a true hero is to fully utilize them and overcome any obstacles.
No, that's not the explanation I wanted to hear. I wanted to say, how dare you make the Unlosing Ranger equip that abomination?
Well, of course, if you walk over the spikes without this, you'll take damage. It'll hurt.
He's a growing boy. No pain, no gain. Besides, tank tracks symbolize a third-rate character. The Absolute Victory Unlosing Ranger absolutely can't equip that. Robots with tank tracks play supporting roles for Units 1 and 2. Among Ranger heroes, it's the same position as the yellow one.
What are you talking about, you idiot? Fulfilling your mission is your top priority right now. Throw away that cheap pride. Besides, tank tracks are perfect for an underdog hero like you. You're nothing but a supporting character anyway.
Huh? Did you say something?
No. Come on, Losing Ranger. Equip this and turn into a tank type.
Don't be rash. Looking cool is also a requirement for all heroes. A tank-type hero will never be liked by kids and girls. You'll never have a movie or a line of toys made after you. Attack! Oh! Keep it up! Show 'em what you're made of! Good job! You overcame the spikes without equipping the tank tracks. Listen, remember that boys must never sacrifice their pride, no matter the situation. Tank tracks can throw a man's pride down into the dumps instantly. It was a real close call, but due to your brave decision, the Unlosing Ranger's pride has been upheld. Thank you. Here, have this as a token of my appreciation. Attack!
I'm drying up! We're still in the middle of training, but let's take a break here.
Oh? You're nicer than I thought.
What are you talking about? I just don't want you getting tired out so soon after we started. It's only going to get harder, so return to base and get well prepared.